In this video, we will discuss about best profitable small scale industries in India. Starting a business requires a lot of commitment and confidence. One must be extremely clear about their business's vision and mission before diving into the world of entrepreneurship. The Indian government provides MSME loans, subsidies, and financing to extend support to small scale industries, among other benefits. In terms of contributing the Indian economy, small scale industries play a critical role. These industries account of 3.4% of manufacturing output and over 30% of GDP in India. Here are some small scale industries business ideas. The first one is candle and wax product making. It can be a great concept to get a head start. A decorative candle have been is high demand certainly. People burn candles for various reasons including religious and aesthetic one. Candles come in multiple sizes, design and colors and there is no standard size. Pickles and papad. Pickles are a popular food item in India household. Similarly, papads are a classic food item in high demand since rice consulting as essential element of our diet and fried foods go well with any type of rice. Homemade chocolates. People prefer to have different flavored chocolates prepared at home over factory produced chocolates, thus making homemade chocolates popular among small scale industries business ideas. Procuring raw materials and packaging would demand an expenditures of around 40,000 to 50,000. The advantage of this business is that you can do it from home and sustain it for a long time. Organic soup production. Soup is a daily hygiene product that everyone all over the world uses. People are switching the organic soups due to the increasing terminal effects of artificial and chemical soup on human skin and the environment. Organic soaps are manufactured using natural components and are friendly to the skin and the environment. Soap is one of the most profitable enterprises with a global market worth more than $35 billion. To start an organic soap company, oil and natural extracts for fragrance, lye, glycerin, and other basic ingredients are necessary. Aside from the basic material, you require a minimal expenditure for these small scale industries to acquire machinery and establish a manufacturing facility.